Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to BSG News. I am your host Monica Chauhan, and let's look at the top stories for tonight.
Chief National Commissioner meets President of Chhattisgarh State Bharat Scout and Guides, finalize the special events. Delegation of National Headquarters meets official of National Education Society, tribute students. World Environment Day celebrated by members of across Pan-India. Cycle rallies and walkathon organized by the State Association of World Environment Day. Street play organized on various states on stopping plastic to save the environment. Tree plantation drive initiative by members across the country. Member of KBS of various states observed the World to No Tobacco Day 2025 on 31st of May. International Level Crossing Awareness Day observed by the SER, NFR and WCR state. Member of Odisha state participate in a mock drill for Devasnana and Rath Yatra. Summer water service camp organized by the members across the country. First National Rover Ranger Jamboree. On 9th of June 2025, Dr. K.K. Khandelwal, AIS retired Chief National Commissioner of Bharat Scout and Guides, meets Shri Brij Mohan Agarwal, Member of Parliament Lok Sabha and President of Chhattisgarh State Bharat Scout and Guides, New Delhi, to discuss the final of the First National Rover Ranger Jamboree. On the occasion, Ms. Darshana Pavaskar, Director of Bharat Scout and Guides, Dr. Somnath Yadav, State Chief Commissioner, and Shri Kailash Soni, State Secretary, Chhattisgarh, were also present. BSG National Headquarters Plantation. On the occasion of World Environment Day, 5th of June 2025, the staff member of the Bharat Scout and Guides National Headquarters, New Delhi, planted a tree within the premises of Promote the Greener Future. Members collectively pledged their commitment to conserve the environment and promoting sustainable practices of well-being of present and future generations. Visit to NESTS tribal students. Our delegation from the Bharat Scout and Guides visit the National Education Society of Tribal Student NESTS, New Delhi, on the afternoon of June 10, 2025 to discuss the Start Scout and Guides activities to tribal students. The delegation including Ms. Darshana Pavaskar, Director Shri S. Prasanna Srivastava, Dr. Special Program and Associate Shri Arup Sarkar, Deputy Director of Scout Boy Program. Shri Mahinder Sharma, Assistant Director, RDSA, Shri Shresht Raj, Membership Growth Manager, and Ms. Hemani, Assistant Membership Growth Cell. The delegation meet with Shri Anupam Sonalkar, Joint Commissioner and Chief Vigilance Officer, Ms. Kumud Kushwaha, Deputy Commissioner of NESTS. A grand and inspiring national level Scout Guide skill competition camp was successfully organized on Kaur International School, Greater Noida, West Uttar Pradesh. The camp was formally inaugurated with the lighting of the ceremonial lamp and hosting association flag. Project Lab, Jabalpur, 5th of June 2025. On occasion of World Environment Day, the inspiring event was organized by Gwari Ghat Jabalpur. Emphasizing the importance of environment conversations and program was held under the joint initiative the Bharat Scout and Guides and UNICEF. As a part of ongoing Project CLAP, the event began at 5 p.m. with the awareness rally, Scout Guide March, hold, placard and powerful slogans such as No Single-Use Plastic and Swachh Bharat, spreading awareness among the public with environmental protection. On the auspicious occasion of World Environment Day dated 5th of June 2025, a tree plantation program was organized under the aegis of Sri St. Peter's English High School, Karandi, at the sports ground of SS High School, Karandi, Jharkhand. The event was graced by Mrs. Saraswati Tudu, Mukhya and South Country, Ms. Naresh Kumar from Bharat Scout and Guides, Jameshpur, who jointly inaugurated the plantation activities. Students of the school participated in the great enthusiasm.
मेरा नाम विराट सिंह ठाकुर है। मैं WSCC KGI स्कूल का छात्र हूँ। तो हम लोग यहाँ इसलिए आए हैं ताकि जो प्लास्टिक जो सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक है उसके द्वारा हम लोग उसको बैन कर सकें, क्योंकि उससे बहुत प्रदूषण होता है। जैसे अपन नदी में अपन प्लास्टिक फेंक दें, कोई लोग होते हैं जो प्लास्टिक फेंक देते हैं तो उससे बहुत सारी मछलियाँ मर जाती हैं और अपन प्लास्टिक बहुत सालों तक चलता है, इसलिए तो उससे बहुत प्रदूषण होता है।
Andhra Pradesh, on occasion of the Shining Star Pratibha Award Program 2025, the Scout Guide of Kannauj district under the Andhra Pradesh State Bharat Scout and Guides member of gave a grant to honor to welcome the esteemed chief guest, and event was graced by Shri T.G. Bharta, Honorable Minister of Industry of Commerce, Srimati Dr. B. Navya, IAS Joint Collector, and Shri S. Samulpur, District Education Officer. Similar environment awareness of plantation program was organized by the Vidyavara, Kakinanda and Kurnool and Vijayawada. Shri Ramaraju, State Chief Commissioner of Bhaskar and Guides and Director of School Education, participated in the plantation drive. Encourage youth to contribute activity to environmental sustainability. On the occasion of World Environment Day, the Van Mahotsav 2025, a plantation program was organized by the Nandyal district of 5th of June 2025 at Nonapoli Municipal High School, Nandyal, and the program was hosted by the District Collector Srimati Raja Kumari Ganya, IAS, and chief guest was the Law and Justice Minister Shri N.M.D. Fora, and addressed the District Collector, emphasized the importance of protecting the nature and urged everyone contribute to combating global warming. Cabinet Mr. Shri N.M.D. Fora, District Collector Srimati Raja Kumari Ganya praised the model school for outstanding community welfare activity and drive positive change toward youth engagements. Assam, the Bharat Scout and Guides of Deloi, Kachar District, Assam, celebrate a World Environment Day 2025 focusing on the theme Ending Plastic Pollution, led by School Principal Sister Mary Lamra, Scoutmaster SM Alok Kaur, Assistant Scoutmaster ASM Patrick Shedder, and Guide Captain GC Atina Lemon. The event fitted impactful activities aimed at promoting environment awareness, tree plantation, eco-friendship workshop, awareness march and rallies, and cleanliness drive were conducted. Central Railway, Vikrant C. Group, admin of the Central Railway Bhaskar and Guides Nagpur Division, organized a Priyavaran Cycle Rally on 8th of June 2025, commemorate World Environment Day 5th of June. The program began with the flag ceremony and scarfing to Shri Kuldeep Kumar Meena, DC Scout, and Shri DMM NGP, who flagged off the rally and cycled the entire route alongside the participants. On the occasion of World Environment Day 5th June 2025, member of the Mumbai Division organized a foot rally. A tree plantation drive was also conducted the same day Lokmanya Tilak terminus, led by General Manager of Central Railway. In the Nagpur Division, the plantation drive was held, graced by the Divisional Railway Manager along with other senior officials, demonstrating other commitment of environment conservation. The Bhuswal Division organized a walkathon on the raise awareness about the environment protection. Following the walkathon, the series of engaging activities including dance performance and street play and tree plantation program were conducted in the presence of the President, DRM, DCC, ADRM, TDC, DEE, TRD, and other branch officials, and the officers was Bhanuswal. Chhattisgarh. On occasion of World Environment Day, various program was organized by the Rani Durgavati Guide Company, Raipur district of Chhattisgarh State Bharat Scout and Guides at Mandir House of separate awareness about environmental conversations. Under the theme Beat the Plastic Pollution, students create a poster and conduct the awareness drive in the village of Mandir House. On the occasion of World Environment Day, the plantation program were conducted on the all district where Scout Guide members actively participated in the pledge to the protect the environment, rangoli making, poster created, rallies, easy riding, and theatrical program was organized at different locations. East Central Railway. On 5th of June 2025, the occasion of World Environment Day, the Environment Department of Samastipur Division, in collaboration with the East Central Railway, Bharat Scout and Guides, Samastipur District Association organized a public awareness morning march on the pledge ceremony under the theme of Reconnect with Nature. At Samastipur Railway Station, the Scout Guide rover delivered the powerful street play addressing the critical environment issues such as pollution, deforestation, and water conservation, delivering the strong social message. An event graced by the presence of Divisional Railway Manager and Chief District Commissioner of various branch officers. On 5th of June 2025, the occasions of International Level Crossing Awareness Day, the World Environment Day, a public awareness program was organized at the Level Crossing Gate number 48 SPL on Varanui Begusarai Railway Station under the Sonapur Division. The program was graced by the presence of Station Superintendent Mr. Ashok Kumar, Safety Councillor Mr. Lalan Kumar, and Gatekeeper Mr. Ghanshyam Kumar Jha. PT Deen Dayal Upadhyay DDU Division organized an inspiring program promoting environment awareness and action. The event began with the tree plantation drive at Rosa Colony Park, led by Division Railway Manager DRM Mr. Uday Singh Meena. Eastern Railway. The Guleshpur group of the Central District Association Eastern Railway Bhas Scout and Guides celebrate World Environment Day on 5th of June 2025 with an impactful awareness rally, tree plantation drive and Nukkad Natak. The event was graced by Srimati Zarina Firdausi, PCPO ER and SAC ER Bhas Scout and Guides, and Srimati JP Kusmakar, CPO A ER and CSG ER BSG, who inaugurated the bless with the participant at Fairley Place, Kolkata. Member of the Officers Colony Rover initiate the tree plantation drive showing the seeds of hope and greener future. A day conclude in a collective pledge of adopting sustainable practices and minimize plastic. The Domohani group organized a special event themed Mission O2 Let's Try the Fresh Oxygen. The day featured by the awareness rally and plantation drive in which 35 fruit bearing saplings were planted. The Scout group of Vivekanand Scout Group under the Liluhan District Association organized an awareness rally within the Liluhan Railway Colony. Around 24 scouts actively participated, separating the awareness and inspiring the community to take a meaningful step toward the environment protection. The Deshbandhu group under the Kanchanpara District Association also observed the World Environment Day with a tree plantation drive and awareness rally collaborative with ERWWO KPA. Member planted a sapling and removed the areas. Gujarat. On Thursday, 5th of June 2025, the Scout Guide of Sri Krishna School, Rajkot of Gujarat State Bhas Scout and Guides celebrate World Environment Day. On occasion, they took a place and maintained the environmental cleanliness, promote the tree plantation and environmental awareness. The program agreement with the year of theme, Beat Plastic Pollution. School Trustee Ms. Tarupati Ben Gajra, Principal Ms. Himanshubai Desai, Campus Director Ms. Brijesh Sharma and all officials of the Rajkot district were present in the support of initiative. To mark a World Environment Day, the Sabarkanda and Arav district organized a distribution program of the tree, the launch of the Plastic Free India campaign, and search site of the Shrimad Jesing Bapa of the Gatiur, Kodamaji village, especially at the location of Shrimad Jesing Bapa Bird House.
इस वर्ष विश्व पर्यावरण दिवस ऐसे समय मनाया जा रहा है जब देश समृद्धि पर्यावरण सहित प्लास्टिक प्रदूषण को समाप्त करने के लिए वैश्विक संधि हासिल करने की दिशा में प्रगति कर रहे हैं। बीट प्लास्टिक पॉल्यूशन, प्लास्टिक प्रदूषण को मात दे थीम के साथ सेलिब्रेट किया जा रहा है। पर्यावरण आपकी जरूरत पूरी कर सकता है, लालच नहीं। पर्यावरण को नष्ट न करे, इसे भविष्य के लिए बचाए। प्रकृति को मारना चुपचाप स्वयं को मारने के समान है।
Haryana. On occasion of World Environment Day, the tree plantation campaign was launched across the Vidya district of Haryana State Bhas Scout and Guides under the guidance of State Training Commissioner Scout Mr. L.S. Verma and State Training Commissioner Guide Ms. Roma Sapra. As a part of campaign, Scout Guide of districts such as Palwal, Bhiwani and Kaithal initiate special drive titled Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam and One Child One Plant. A special Triveni plantation, people, neem and banyan trees was also carried out the occasion, symbolize the deep commitment and environmental conversation. Bhishma Open Group of Indian Scout Guide Fellowship District Kaithal, a plantation program was organized at June 10, 2025 outside the stadium premises on the government secondary school located in a village. Frenchwala program was conducted under the campaign Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam launched by the Honorable Prime Minister. KBS. On 31st of May 2025, various PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya organized an impactful event on occasion of World No Tobacco Day 2025 based on the theme Unmasking of April. Scout and Guide were educated about the harmful effect of tobacco and manipulative tactics used by the tobacco industry. Particularly those targeting a youth awareness rallies were held at the school level. Various placards, slogans and leaflets of separate anti-tobacco message, debate on the tobacco, a slow poison diagnosed at the thread, and art competition showcase the harmful effect of tobacco versus healthy living. Scout Guide also lead a special release on motivate user to quit tobacco and seek support. PM Shri KV Poli, Bagpat Keep, KV number 1, Patiala Kent, KV of Abajali KV, Dharmgarh, KV2 CPPF, Bhubaneswar and KV Sundargarh took an active part. The Scout Guide of PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya Janakpuri, Halsidi number 1, Srinagar, Lohagarh, Pittorgarh, Dehradun, New Kent 1 Shift Schools celebrated a World Environment Day on the Thursday, 5th of June 2025, focusing on the theme Ending Plastic Pollution, and series of engaging activities were conducted to promote the environment awareness. Those include the tree plantation drive, poster design, slogan writing, and quiz competitions, speeches and environmental issues, and awareness rally and educate communities to nearby locations. Madhya Pradesh. Katni district of Madhya Pradesh State Bharat Scout and Guides organized a various program on World Environment Day on 5th of June 2025 under the joint collaboration of Bharat Scout and Guides and UNICEF under the Project Lab. The program began at 7 a.m. with the plantation of the tree under the campaign One Plant in the Name of Mother. The Jagruti Park continuing the effort. Mr. P.P. Singh, District Education Officer cum District Commissioner Scout, planted a tree under the same campaign of Government Excellence Higher School, Madhav Nagar, Katni. Member of the Mandla District of collaboration with the Bharvi Utsav members conduct an awareness campaign, motivate the people, reduce the stop use of the plastic. The initiative focusing on encouraging eco-friendly practice and spreading the awareness about the harmful effect of plastic on the environment. Divisional Headquarters Bhopal organized a picnic camp on the forest for the Scout and Guides who were providing a water service and railway station on the occasion of World Environment Day. On the occasion of Scoutmaster Ms. Praveen Purohit, Assistant State Organizer Commissioner Mr. Rajesh Malwa, and District Commissioner and Vice President Bhopal Mr. Shailendra Singh Rajput participated in the tree plantation drive, promoter area planting a mango and Indian gooseberry amla tree. Northeastern Railway. On the occasion of World Environment Day, 5th of June 2025, the Bharat Scout and Guides District Association of Izzat Nagar, Lucknow, Gonda, Gorakhpur and Varanasi under the Northeastern Railway organized a variety environment focusing program. These events took place on railway stations, schools, colony premises and other locations. Cricket activities such as street plays, planting and art competition, tree plantation drive and awareness campaign against the use of plastic. The Scout Guide of Gorakhpur present a powerful state play on the environment conversation of the Railway Auditorium of Gorakhpur. The performance was the witness of the Miss Soumya Mathur, General Manager of Northeastern Railway, and Mr. Rajesh Mathi, Chief Mr. Rajesh Avasti, Chief State Commissioner of Mr. D.K. Khera, State Commissioner AR, and Mr. Anand Rishi Srivastava, State Secretary, Division Railway Manager, Chief District Commissioner Scout and Guides, and other senior railway officials also present. A Nukkad Natak was also organized by Banaras Railway Station by the Varanasi district under the guidance of District Commissioner Scout Mr. Anubhav Patil. The theme of event was Say No to Single-Use Plastic, Beat Plastic Pollution. An initiative was part of the Special Environment Awareness Campaign launched on the Northeastern Railway, which run from 22nd of May to 5th of June 2025. During the event, students explained the 7 key points of Mission Life and 4 Rs: refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and to the Division Railway Manager. North Foreign Railway. In observance of International Level Crossing Awareness Day of Safety, organized the NF Railway Turkiye District of the collaboration with the Bharat Scout and Guides NF Railway Turkiye District Association conduct a Nukkad Natak and awareness campaign on 5th of June 2025 at various locations along with Mukum leather section. On 24th of May 2025, River Workshop District of NF Railway performed a Nukkad Natak on NFR Division Hospital, Dibrugarh on the part of the World Environment Day campaign. 22nd May to 5th of June 2025 in the theme Say No to Plastic Pollution and Be a Part of Solution, aimed separate awareness the harmful impact of the plastic on the environment. Northwestern Railway, under the Fit India mission of the government in India, special cycle rally under the theme of Sundays on Cycle was organized on the 8th of June 2025 from Railway Stadium, Jodhpur. From event the flag of the 6 am by the Divisional Railway Manager Mr. Naraj Tripathi. The rally was the jointly organized under the aegis of the Jodhpur Division Sports Association, the Bharat Scout and Guides North-Western Railway Jodhpur Division, and program was successfully led by District Commissioner Mr. Abhishek Gandhi of the Jodhpur Division. Under the aegis of the Ajmer Division Sports Association, the special cycle rally was organized on the Sunday at 6:30 am starting from the Railway Stadium located at the Division Railway Manager's office. The Division Railway Manager Mr. Raju Butanda, Senior Divisional Mechanical Engineer C.W. Ajmer, and Secretary of ADSA Mr. Pradeep Kumar. Jaipur Division celebrated World Environment Day on Program Hall, platform number 1, The event was graced by the Mr. Vikas Kumar, Division Railway Manager and Chairman, Jaipur Division, Mr. Sanjeev Dikshit, ADRM Operations and District Chief Commissioner Scout, Mr. Pramod Reva, Senior Division Mechanical Engineer CW and District Commissioner Scout, Jaipur. Headquarters located association organized awareness rallies in Jagatpur Station, Railway Colony. Bikaner Division marketed a day with a tree plantation drive that carried the Wogan workshop.
Odisha. 70 Scout Guide Rover Ranger adult leader participated in a mock drill on standard operating procedures (SOPs) and the upcoming Devsana Yatra and Rath Yatra 2025. The drill was conducted at the collaboration with the Puri Police at Grand Road, Puri, and was organized by the OSDMA on 7th of June 2025. Rover Ranger of Odisha State Bharat Scout and Guides rendered their service by the assisting public, maintaining the equilibrium during the Devsana Yatra and Grand Road, Puri. On 11th of June 2025, the Rangers distribute the drinking water, curd water, devotees endure their comfort well-being during the scared procession. The Neele Jhande Wale Open Unit of Jagat Singhpura celebrate award at Alka Ashram, and the poster making competition open quiz were organized by the Scout Guide. A mass tree plantation drive was also held in the located market. The event concluded with the general meeting chaired by unit leader Mr. Vijay Kumar Rath, where the chief guest Mr. Manoj Kumar Nandi, principal of Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya, addressed the members. Punjab. The absence of the World Environment Day, NFCI Jalandhar of participated with the Punjab State Bharat Scout and Guides Model Town organized a series impactful event on 5th of June 2025 where raise environmental awareness to promote sustainable participation among the youth. The celebration began with the tree plantation drive where over 50 students from NFCI actively participated by planting saplings, symboling their commitment to greener future. Mr. Anjali Dua, Center Manager of NFCI, Chief Garva Datta, also joined the students, emphasizing the importance of environmental stewardship. Mr. Hemant Kumar, State Training Commissioner, Scout, graced the occasion. Rajasthan. Sikar district of Rajasthan State Bharat Scout and Guides has been running a summer water service camp on Sikar railway station of the past 41 years. This year inspired by the Senior Scout Master Mr. Murlidhar Sharma with the finance support from the Babita Chaudhary, Om Prakash Chaudhary and Gopinath Residency Sikar. Over the 5,000 trained passengers was warmly welcomed by the serving a chilled water and sweet rasna. South Central Railway, as a part of World Environment Day 2025 celebration of member of Hyderabad district of South Central Railway, Bharat Scout and Guides actively participated in the series of activities held on 5th of June 2025 at a Joggers Park, South Lalaguda. The program includes the mega tree plantation ceremony, signature campaign and selfie booth, and conduct to promote awareness of year of theme and the plastic pollution. The event was organized by the Mechanical Branch of Hyderabad Division (SER) with the enthusiastic public support from the officers, members, and SER WWO HYB and staff from various departments of Hyderabad Division. Southeastern Railway International Level Crossing Awareness Day was observed by the Andhra by the member of the Southeastern Railway Bharat Scout and Guides Andhra Division. The program included the Nukkad Natak, Walkathon and awareness campaign through the distribution of pamphlets and level crossing gates of educate the public about the safety measure at railway crossing. Southern Railway World Environment Day celebrated by Southern Railway State Bharat Scout and Guides Adventure Institute of Health Herbert Garden, Golden Rock, Trichy by the member of the Southern Railway State Bharat Scout and Guides. The tree plantation program was inaugurated by Shri M. Ilangova, AWMP and District Secretary. A total 50 saplings were planted by the group, consulting and retired railway officer, former Scout officials and current Scout and Guiders. Officials from the Forest Department also actively participated in the event, adding the value of initiatives. Tamil Nadu. The Tiruvannamalai district of Tamil Nadu State Bharat Scout and Guides celebrate a World Environment Day on 5th of June 2025 by planting the sapling on the district training center of district headquarters. Scout Guide actively participated in a green initiative of promote environment conversations on the create of healthier, greener community. On the same day, the Sairam Bharat Scout and Guide District Association organized a plastic-free zone awareness campaign across its institute. This is campaign aimed on educate students, staff, and public about the dangers of plastic pollution and the importance of adopting sustainable habits. During the event, the pledge ceremony was held, where the participants on the reduced plastic use, spread the environment awareness, and embrace the principle of refuse, reuse, and reuse recycling. Uttar Pradesh. The 3-day water service camp was organized by the Uttar Pradesh State Bharat Scout and Guides on Mathura Junction from 3rd to 5th of June 2025. The Scout Guide rendered their naval service by the distributing cool drinking water passenger on the auspicious occasion of Ganga Dashera. Shri N.P. Singh, Station Master, Mathura Junction, Dr. Kamal Kaushik, District Chief Commissioner, Shri Ashok Kumar, Solanki, District Organized Commissioner, and Ms. Guru Pyari Satsangi present the certificate to dedicate the Scout Guide Rover Rangers. The Meerut District Association conducted a service series of activities on 5th of June 2025. Ms. Rekha Sharma, State Vice President of Chief Commissioner's Guide, along with the Dr. Gaurav Pathak, District Secretary, lead a tree plantation drive on the Scout Bhavan, Meerut. Members of various colleges and schools, including the Meerut College, RGPG College, Ismail PD College, and MC Inter College, Sadar, distribute the cool drinking water, sharbat, and to the passengers. Ms. Brijesh, District Commissioner Guide, Meerut, also graced the occasion.
West Bengal. On 5th of June 2025, between 10:30 hours to 13:30 hours, 89 Scout Guide of the West Bengal State Bharat Scout and Guides, along with their representative leaders, participated in the march with the placard and Phase 2. The march was Environment Day. The march took place in Kharibari area, starting from the Kharibari HS School and concluded at the Tarkarnath Sindurbara Balika Vidyalaya. The rally was led by the NSTP Open Scout Guide Group of Anasol Hamdard Public School Scout Group. Paschim Bardhaman District organized an annual group camp at Madhapur, Jharkhand from 2nd to 4th of June 2000. On 5th of June 2025, the Suryotaran Scout Guide Group of Howrah District took a place of tree plantation program organized by the AGC Boss Botanic Garden. Members participated in a both rally and tree plantation initiative. All groups under the Ulubayan Local Association organized a plantation drive, their representative location, and took place of promoting Mother Earth. On the 8th of June 2025, Ganganagar Shikhan Seaway TTL Scout Group celebrated World Environment Day by planting the tree and State Training Center, Ganganagar. The event was led by the group Vice President Ajoy Paul, along with organizing member Ranjan Roy, GLS, and Scoutmaster and Camp Warden Prasanjit Roy. West Central Railway. On 5th of June 2025, 3 divisions of the West Central Railway, Bharat Scout and Guides, Jabalpur, Bhopal, and Kota organized a street play and tree plantation program as a part of Level Crossing Awareness Week on World Environment Day. Observe the event, witness an active participation from the key officials to the division, including District Chief Commissioner, District Commissioners, and other dignitaries. Circle number 122, National Jamboree 2026 inaugural. Circle number 123, SG60 Singapore International Jamboree 2025. Circle number 125, Online Submission of Application Form for Golden Arrow Award 2025-26. Circle number 127, National Level Organizer Course. Circle number 128, Mock Team India Gathering on Coordinator Workshop on Observing on International Day of Peace 2025. Circle number 129, Submission of Annual Consensus Membership Data on the year 2024-2025. Circle number 130, Opportunity for Women of the Change Empowering Her. Circle number 131, Submission of Annual Consensus Membership Data for the year 2024-25, District-wise Data Collection. Circle number 132, National Level Rath Yatra Service Camp 2025. Circle number 133, National Level Capacity Building Workshop for IT Team on State Association. Thank you.